So we got a quick little unboxing from Vans. Let's open this up. So I love Vans, but I got the Fuchsia red Sk8-HI's. Sk8-HI's are my favorite, probably my favorite Vans I've had, mostly because of the ankle support. Yeah. Very clean. So as you know, Vans, legendary, right? Amazing. It's got the high top side stripe shoe, as you know. Durable suede, canvas uppers, lace-up closures, reinforced toe cap, supportive padded collar, and the signature rubber waffle. Amazing. I'll definitely have to lace them up, obviously, because you can't use them if you don't lace them up. Too bad it's winter time and it sucks here and it's like 5-6 degrees and I can't really skate because ice and whatnot. So can't wait until I can skate. These will be the first things I wear. But yeah, love these shoes, love the color. I already know they fit because my size. I always buy these kind of shoes, Sk8-HI's. But I don't know, maybe one day I'll work for Vans. Be kind of fun. Something. I don't know. I just like Vans and skating a lot. Side note, this is Mike Vallely's company, Street Plant. I'm not endorsed by them or sponsored or anything. One of my favorite skateboarders of all time. So go check out Mike V. He's a ripper still.